Greetings YouTube. It had to come down because it's stuck. It's totally stuck. I don't know why. Like, if I just touch the blade. I deliberately loosened these because I was worried it was putting some stress on. That isn't the problem, it's something with the chain. So I do have help today, so one of the jobs obviously find out why it's stopped working, and the second job is to drill holes in here and put a bolt through so this can't get dislodged. Unfortunately, it seems to be a serious problem with the motor. I've disconnected it, the cable there, so yeah, there's definitely something wrong with it, so I'm going to have to take it out and have a look at it. Unfortunately, there is definitely something wrong with this. I'm not sure that WD-40 is going to cut it this time. I'm going to spray a load in there anyway and leave it a bit. This one may have to be brought back into service, but we'll see what happens with the other one first. Like I say, I think it's a bit beyond that, but we'll squirt a load in there, see if it can work its way in at all. It's very hard to turn. Just getting stuck at a certain point. Anyway, we'll leave that a couple of hours. There's not much more I can do. Thought it was a good idea to give these a squirt in case we end up taking it apart, which I really don't want to do. But if it's the only way to get it working, I mean, if it doesn't work, I might as well take it apart and have a look. I might learn something, I guess. I don't really feel comfortable taking it apart, but we shall see. So it appears to be even worse now. I've undone all the bolts and I'm going to try and get the case open. So I'll do that in the next video. Cheers. What I actually plan to do is to watch a few videos of other people on YouTube taking them apart, but it may be simple, it may be very complicated. I'll try and get it on film, but that's what I've got to do, take it apart, see if we can fix it. Cheers.